Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson with Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander SEL. Super clean. Red metallic paint on the exterior. This is really nicely equipped. It has a leather interior, also dual climate control, does have the sunroof, Bluetooth backup camera, super clean. The most amazing thing about this vehicle is it does only have 13,579 miles. One owner vehicle, 13,000 original miles. I promise you there are not too many out there as clean with this low miles. So to find out more about this vehicle and others like it, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.